Okay, we got our first roller installed. I'll take you into the bench and show you exactly what kind of fastener this is. It's got the washer and a good rubber gasket built into it. It's a roofing metal screw with a drill start. I'm still drilling the starter hole. These bottom two are going through about an 1/8 inch of aluminum. Let's get a close look at the washer. And of course, you don't want to just mash that washer out until it tears and rips apart. You want to squeeze it out about like that. The top three are just going through plywood, but the major support is you've got a 90-degree L bracket on the inside here. Now this is on an Accu-Slide slide out on a keystone. Lippert makes their own, and there's various other manufacturers, and they all have kind of their own rollers. I'm adding 5 on this side. This is 11 foot plus about 11.5 foot slide. These rollers are the 3/4 inch version because that's what my wear bar measured after I cut out a piece. I cut it out by mistake. On the next one, all I'm going to do is cut this weather strip out. Just enough to slide that on, and I'm going to be going over this thin plastic strip here and bonding right to it. There's many ways to go on the fasteners, but I think this is going to be a pretty good one. It would only be better if it was made of stainless steel. Let's go inside and I'll show you what it looks like. Brand name is Tex, T-E-K-S. They are number 12s. I went with the full 2 inch. It can't hurt anything. 5/16 inch head. There is the sealing washer. It is a self-drilling roofing screw. It's a very tough washer. These are the 3/4 inch BAL Accu-Slide rollers. The threads on this is going to be cutting too much. I didn't want to use an impact to just cut them threads all the way through like that. So what I'm doing is opening it up just a little bit. And also on my final tightening, when I do get it in place, I'm using a 1/4 inch ratchet with a 3 inch extension, and I'm doing that by feel. I only run them in so close with an impact. And how they hold up, well, only time will tell. I'll jump back outside and I'll show you what I mean with my 1/4 inch ratchet and socket. Okay, when you tighten them up, you want to just go hand tight and get a feel for it. And watch real close. Get a flashlight, get you some good lighting out here, because you want to watch that gasket. You don't want to just smash it out where you tear it apart, because that rubber gasket will help seal that from the weather, from the elements. It will also act as sort of a lock washer. You got to be real careful through this because you don't have a real good solid medium to attach to. I think that's why they went with 5 of them. Okay, getting ready to do this other side. Just want to go ahead and show you what I did remove. After putting your roller up there, you're going to mark it on the sides. Keep it pretty close with a marker. You can see my marks down here. That piece is going to stay. You're going to take your box cutter, watch your fingers, and you're going to remove the top weather seal. You can't overcut it because right here is a very hard piece of plastic about 1/4 inch tall. Now on the first one, I was under the impression you had to cut out the wear bar. This is my wear bar that went up on the other side. But I want to show you something where BAL Accu-Slide, they actually engineered these rollers just for this application. And it is definitely a good upgrade. Probably the best upgrade you can make. It's going to take a lot of pressure, strain, and stress off your gearbox, your transmission, and your electric motors all operate the slides in and out. It's going to lay on top of this lip, and I'll pre-drill just starter holes, and then put my 5 screws in there just like I did on the other side. The only difference is on the other side, this strip was removed and the wear bar was removed. That means the other one on the other side is lower than what I would like it for it to have been. But here's what these look like. The wear bar will be going in like this. The seal is the top part that we cut off. And now the roller, this 90-degree bend here, here's the wear bar. It's going to lay just like that. And check that out. Just goes up to the wear bar, the actual wear bar itself. Now the first one I put in, by removing this wear bar, I'm lower the amount of this thickness right here where my thumb is, right here, because I cut that out. I wish I hadn't done that. That's a big mistake. That's what, in reality, that's what it's going to look like when you're done. And you can see that the rollers and the wear bar are going to be the same height. Maybe hard to show up on camera. BAL Accu-Slide, they want you to be aware that the rollers do not take the entire weight of the slide out room. The rollers are there to assist the wear bar. And the way these attach, it looks like that's exactly what they're going to do. Hey, thanks for watching. Travel safe out there. Have a good one.